We last spoke. In amongst writing the record and recovering from the Grammys and stuff like that, which is when I spoke to you last. I got a dog, learned to cook, tried to learn to drive, but that didn't really work. Apparently I'm a very spatial aware, considerate driver, according to my instructor. I didn't keep up my lessons. I was recovering from a severe breakup, so I was drinking a lot, so I imagine I was over the limit for most of my lessons. We met before I did my first album. The first song I wrote for this record was in April of 2009, which we were still together, and I wrote Take It All, which is this song about someone not loving you. So that's when I thought, oh no, we're in trouble. So it was kind of done in an order of how I felt about us breaking up. I was really angry, and then I was really bitter, and then I was really lonely, and then I was absolutely devastated. And it's in that order, the record. I imagine he's heard it. It's doing really well in England, so I doubt you can avoid it. I doubt he has any money to be anywhere else. So, yeah.
We could have had it
I had the first verse for quite a while before I discovered Wanda Jackson, actually, who really did heavily inspire Rolling in the Deep. I was angry and I wanted to be a bit bitchy, and I didn't want to write a ballad about, well, I did want to write a ballad about it, but then I got convinced not to write a ballad. Production-wise, for me, I think my love for Wanda Jackson definitely kind of rubbed off on it, yeah.